If you're using Space Dev environments to orchestrate your remote development backend, we have some good news for you. You no longer need to switch to the Space UI to manage your dev environments. You can do it directly from within the IDE. From the UI, you can create a new dev environment. Select the repository you want to work with and optionally the branch. If you have a dev file to help standardize your dev environment, the selected IDE, warm-up snapshot and instance type are pre-selected. Of course, you can also customize it here if needed. Next, you can create the dev environment. In the background, a remote IDE is started in the Space Cloud. You can see status updates, and once the dev environment is ready, you can connect to it and start coding in the remote environments. Dev environments can be managed from here as well. You can hibernate a dev environment to reduce resource consumption or delete it when your work is finished. We hope you'll enjoy these changes, and if you haven't already, give JetBrains Space and dev environments a try.